Good evening, everyone, and welcome to tonight's edition of the Flagler Weather Info Video Brief. The data that we use to develop our forecast for Flagler County on Flagler Weather Info is collected from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville, Florida. Well, today was kind of a cool, mostly cloudy day for a good portion of the daylight hours. Low temperatures this morning generally ranging from 55 to 56 to 58 degrees. It was a little warmer at the beaches. We had a low there about 59 this morning. However, the persistent cloud cover kept things kind of cool the whole day, along with those northeasterly breezes off that cool Atlantic Ocean. Temperatures failed to get out of the 60s. The clouds didn't manage to get out here until late in the afternoon. And by that time, it was already too late. The sun was already on its way down. Even with the strong sunshine in the latter half of the afternoon, temperatures only managed to get into the mid to upper 60s for high temperatures today. A little cooler than what we were expecting. Now let's take a look at our weather map. A large high-pressure system that's over the eastern United States will shift off into the Atlantic Ocean the next 24 hours as a dry cold front moves into the area on Martin Luther King Day. That front sweeping south of the area by Monday night and into Tuesday. That opens the gates for a cold Canadian high-pressure system to move into the area and pump some cooler, chilly air into the region by the middle part of this week. Let's take a look at our forecast details for tonight. Generally fair skies, occasionally partly cloudy at times. There might be some patchy fog late night, and a few patches of that fog might be dense in places. Do not expect that to be widespread. Low temperatures bottoming out generally in the lower to mid 50s, a little bit cooler in Mondex and western Palm Coast. The central parts of Palm Coast, maybe some parts of the Hammock, will get down into the mid 50s, and points that are right along the coast, like in Flagler Beach and Marineland, we'll see low temperatures there in the upper 50s near 60 degrees. Winds generally light out of the northeast to north at less than 5 miles an hour. Now looking at Martin Luther King Day, expect partly cloudy to fair skies, maybe a little bit of morning fog. Temperatures will rebound pretty quickly, getting up into the 60s, and we're expecting a high right near 70 degrees for most of Flagler County. However, the Hammock, Flagler Beach, Beverly Beach will probably see highs there only in the mid to upper 60s. Winds out of the north to northeast at about 10 to 15 miles an hour by the afternoon. Monday night, look for generally fair skies, so occasionally partly cloudy skies. May see some periods of variable cloudiness late overnight, maybe a little bit of fog. Low temperatures bottoming out in the mid to upper 50s once again. Now looking at the rest of the week, Tuesday, nice sunny skies, maybe some clouds in the morning, but any clouds around will clear out of here, revealing sunny skies for the afternoon. High temperatures struggling, however, to only get into the lower to mid 60s. Winds will be out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour, bringing some chilly air into the region. Tuesday night, expect lows to plummet into the mid to upper 30s under clear skies. Wednesday, high temperatures only getting into the lower 60s, maybe even the upper 50s. But to see what happens with that. And Wednesday night, lows generally in the low to mid 30s. Thursday, warming up a little bit, highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. Friday, becoming partly cloudy, highs in the 60s to 70s, lows in the 40s to 50s. Maybe a slight chance of showers on Friday night. Then Saturday, a chance of showers, highs in the 60s to lower 70s, lows generally in the 50s to upper 40s. And Sunday, clearing off and cooler once again, highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. At the beaches, surf running 2 to 4 feet. Surf trend should be decreasing over the next several days. Might be a little choppy at times in the afternoons. Our surf temperature is 62 degrees. Folks, that wraps up our weather for Flagler County. In summary, just cooling, generally cool to fair conditions, then becoming colder on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Thank you for watching. Be sure to tell your friends about us. Be sure to share our weather videos with your friends as well. And check our Facebook page for updates at Flagler Weather Info.